So today is June 20, Sabado. So karon simba na po dron o um, what I so I really don't know what to share about you guys, but lately grabe gid akong experience gabi eh. It was 1 a.m. yung last, so I relapse at 1 a.m. So nabasag yung 8 day streak ko. Tas ang the worst part, may nagawa ako na talagang napakasama talaga, and I really regret it. I still feel the shame of what I did. At yun, grabe yung regret, yung emptiness na dadama ko, pero still what Jesus did on the cross was greater than my sin. But it doesn't mean that I must continue sinning, but to rely on Him, to fully rely on Him, and not on my thoughts, not on my feelings, which doesn't remain. And also I've said them, and also I want to share the 3 messages. So I wrap 8 tiny balls of paper, and I choose randomly 3 paper random balls. And so here are the 3 wrap balls, and let's see what message says. So I've written this on day 3, and it says, with God all things are possible. And yes, all things are possible. So wag imposible basta kauban yun natong Ginoo. So tanan butang posible. And next message is on, I've written this on day 6, and it says, take accountability of your actions. I've written this on day 6, and the last message is, let's see, it's on day 2, and it's written is, know who you are now and know who you want to become. So to really sum this up, all things are possible with God. And yes, this calls us to not rely on our own strength, but to fully rely on Him, on His strength, because without Him we are nothing. And the second message, which calls us to take accountability of your actions. We really need to be accountable, not to blame anyone, not to blame the things that surround us when we fall, but to take accountability of our actions. So yes, we need to take accountability. And the last part is, know who you are now and know who you want to become. So there will be no transformation if you really don't know the starting point. So you need to know where you are starting and know who you want to become, so that there will be this starting point and this finish line, so you know where you are going. And when you know who you are now and who you want to become, you become aware of your actions. Is these actions aligns in who I want to become? Is these actions align, these habits, is this aligning who I really want to become? And I think that's all. So salamat sa pagtanaw. Oh, God bless you all. Peace and keep rising. think that's it. So, daghang salamat.